Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve problem on contract costing, that is preparing the contract account. We have already discussed the format of contract account. Okay, let's start the problem on contract costing. Problem number 1. You are required to prepare contract account showing the profit on the contract for the year ending 30th April 2017. Contract price 1 lakh, materials sent to site 32,250, labor engaged on site 27,400, plant installed at site 5,650, work certified 71,500, cash received from contractor 65,000, value of plant as on 30th April 2017 4,100, cost of work done but not certified 1,700, direct expenditure 1,200, cost of establishment 1,625, wages outstanding 900, material on hand 700, direct expenses outstanding 100, material returned to store 200. So certain information they have given and we have to prepare the contract account to find out the profit. Let's start the solution. Heading Contract account for the year ending 30th April 2017. Debit, credit, and the column particulars, rupees, particular, rupees. See the problem. First item is contract price. This item we will not take in the contract account because when work is completed or contract is completed, then only we take this contract price under the head contracting account. But this contract is incomplete because in this problem work certified and work uncertified amount is given. So this contract price we will not take in the contract account. So leave this item and move to next item, that is material sent to site, that is 32,250. Write on the debit side to material sent to site 32,250. Labor engaged on site 27,400. Debit side write to labor 27,400. Write in inner column because outstanding wages is there. See this one, wages outstanding 900. So it is to be added. Add outstanding 900 and total of these two 28,300. Next is plant installed at site. Amount is 5,650. Write in the debit side to plant. Work certified. So this item will come under work in progress in credit side. So credit side we have to write by work in progress, in that work certified 71,500. Cash received from contractor. This one we will take to calculate the amount of profit and not in the contract account. Then value of plant as on 30th 4 2017. This is the closing value of plant. This one we will take on the credit side. By closing plant, amount is 4,100. Next is cost of work done but not certified. So the work is done but it is not certified. So this one considered as work uncertified. Okay, this work is considered as work uncertified and it is to be taken under the head work in progress. So in work in progress, work certified we have already taken, that is 71,500. Now we have to take work uncertified. The amount is 1,700 and total of these two 71,500 plus 1,700 and the total is 73,200. Next is direct expenditure. It is to be debited to direct expenditure. Write in inner column 1,200 because outstanding direct expenses is given. Direct expenses outstanding. Add outstanding amount is 100. Add these two 1,200 plus 100 you will get 1,300. Next, cost of establishment. It is to be debited to cost of establishment amount is 1,625. Wages outstanding taken. Then material on hand. It is to be credited. Right credit side by material on hand amount is 700. Direct expenses outstanding over. And the last is material return to store. It is to be credited by material return to store amount is 200. So all the items are over. So now we have to calculate the debit side and credit side and we have to see which side will get the more amount. So first calculate this credit side. 73,200 plus 44,100 plus 700 plus 200 and the total of these four amount is 78,200. Calculate debit side. 32,250 plus 28,300 plus 5,650 plus 1,300 plus 1,625. Don't take this 9,075. Okay, just take these five amount and the total of these five amount is 69,125. So which side you will get the more amount? Credit side. So we'll take this balance 78,200. So right here total 78,200 and same amount we will write on the debit side, that is 78,200. And from this 78,200 minus this 69,125 or minus these amount 32,250, 28,300, 5,650, 1,300 and 1,625 and you will get 9,075. Understood? From 78,200 minus 69,125 we will get difference amount 9,075. So this difference amount is called notional profit. To notional profit 9,075. If you get the difference amount on the debit side, it is called notional profit. And if you get the difference amount in the credit side, it will be called notional loss. So in this problem, we have got notional profit that is 9,075. And this notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account and reserve. So as you know, there are four conditions are there, and on the basis of that, on the basis of work certified and contract price, we have to calculate the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. So the contract price is how much? 1 lakh, correct? And the work certified amount is 71,500. So these two items are very important because on the basis of these two items, we will calculate the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. So the first condition is if the work certified amount is less than one-fourth of contract price, no amount is transferred to profit and loss account. So we will calculate the one-fourth of contract price. 1 lakh into one-fourth. How much you will get? 25,000. So one-fourth of contract price is 25,000. And work certified amount is how much? 71,500. Means the work certified amount is not less than one-fourth of one-fourth of contract price. So first condition is not applied here. Second condition is if the work certified is more than one-fourth but less than half, in such cases, one-third of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account. So we'll calculate the half of the contract price. 1 lakh into half. So the half the contract price is 50,000. So the half of contract price is 50,000 and work certified amount is 71,500. So second condition is also not applied because the work certified amount is more than half. Second condition what it says that the work certified amount should be more than one-fourth but less than half. So third condition is if the work certified amount is more than half but less than three-fourth of contract price. So we'll calculate the three-fourth of contract price. 1 lakh into three-fourth, you will get 75,000. So the third condition is if the work certified amount is more than half but less than one-fourth of contract price. Sorry, less than three-fourth of contract price. So our work certified amount is more than half of the contract price. Yes, 50,000, more than this 50,000. But it is less than three-fourth of the contract price. Three-fourth of the contract price, you will get 75,000. So 71,500 is less than three-fourth of contract price. So in this problem, third condition is applied. So third condition in that, what we have to do? We have to calculate or we have to transfer the two-third of notional profit. So the formula is note calculation of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. So we'll take the third condition formula. Profit and loss account is equal to two-thirds of notional profit into cash received divided by work certified. Understood why I have taken this two-thirds? Because the work certified amount is more than half, but it is less than three-fourths of contract price. In such cases, two-thirds of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account. So same two-thirds we will write here and the notional profit just we have got to this one. 9,075. Cash received. See the problem? Cash received from contractor. Cash received from contractor is 65,000. Take this 65,000. Work certified. Work certified amount is 71,500. 65,000 divided by 71,500. So first calculate this one. 9,075 into two-thirds. You will get 6,050 and multiply this 6,050 with 65,000 divided by 71,500 and you will get 5,500. So this 5,500 is transferred to profit and loss account. So the notional profit is 9,075. From this 9,075 to profit and loss account, we will transfer 5,500 and remaining amount to reserve. So remaining how much you will get? 3,575. So this 3,575 is transferred to reserve. So same this 9,075 is brought down by notional profit brought down 9,075. Same we will write here and here. Debit side to profit and loss account 5,500. Just we have calculated. To reserve the remaining amount of the notional profit 3,575 and the total of these two 9,075. So both sides will get the same amount. Clear this problem? Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Problem number 2. Nivedita Limited furnishes the following information relating to the year 2006. Direct material issued 3 lakh. Plant issued on 1st May 2006 60,000. Wages paid for 11 months 44,000. Administrative overhead 12,000. Materials returned to store 35,000. Materials costing rupees 6,000 sold for 7,000. Plant depreciation at 15% per annum. Retention money 40,000. Contract price 8 lakh. Cash received 3 lakh 60,000. Work uncertified 10,000. Supervisor salary paid for 51 weeks. Amount is 10,200. Materials at site on 31st December 2006 12,000. Prepare contract account. So in this problem, they have given certain information and on the basis of these information, we have to prepare the contract account. Let's start the solution. Heading contract account particulars rupees particulars rupees. So the first information is direct material issue. It is to be debited to direct material 3 lakh. Plant issued on 1st May 2006 60,000. So plant issued on 1st May it is to be debited to plant 60,000. Wages paid for 11 months. Okay, wages paid for how many months? 11 months. This contract is about 1 year. In 1 year, 12 months are there. But the contractor has paid wages for 11 months only. It means that 1 month salary, 1 month wages is outstanding that we have to find out and that amount is to be added to this 44,000. So we'll calculate the outstanding salary. So here is a note number 1. Calculation of outstanding wages for 1 month. So for 11 months, wages is how much? 44,000. So to get the 1 month wages, what we have to do? 44,000 divided by 11. We will get 4,000. Means per month they'll get 4,000 rupees as wages. And this 1 month wages is outstanding. It is to be added. Come to the solution part. To wages, write in inner column 44,000. Add outstanding. Just we calculated this 4,000. It is to be added. Now add these two figures 44,000 plus 4,000. The total is 48,000. Clear? Next item. Administrative overhead. It is to be debited to administrative overhead. Amount is 12,000. Next, material return to store. Material return to store. It is to be credited right on the credit side by material return to store. Amount is 35,000. Next, material costing rupees 6,000 sold for rupees 7,000. Okay, the value of actual value of material is 6,000, but it is sold for 7,000. So first we'll take the selling entry. Buy material sold. So it is sold for 7,000. So buy material sold, the selling price is 7,000. So write in amount column, buy material sold 7,000. Now compare these two amounts. Okay, the actual value of material is 6,000, but it is sold for 7,000. Means 1,000 profit. Correct? So actual value is 6,000, but it is sold for 7,000. Means they gain the 1,000 profit. So any profit, if they have gained profit means it is to be debited, and if they have incurred any losses, it is to be credited. So in this transaction, they have gained a profit and it is to be debited. So write on the debit side, 2 profit on sale of material. Amount is 1,000. You have to write the difference amount, 7,000 minus 6,000, 1,000. To profit on sale of material, 1,000. Clear? Next, plant depreciation at 15%. So we have to calculate the depreciation on plant at 15%. So this one we have to calculate depreciation. So we'll prepare the note number 2, calculation of depreciation on plant. So the value of plant is, see the second entry, plant issued on 1st May 2006. The value of plant is 60,000, which we have recorded in the debit side. Got all of you? This one. So 60,000 is the value of plant. So depreciation 15%. We have to calculate the 15% depreciation into 15% into 8 by 12. Why we have to take this 8 by 12? Because this plant is issued on 1st May. Okay. So this contract is for 1 year. That is, it starts from 1st January 2006 and it ends at 31st December 2006. Correct? 1 year contract. But this plant is issued on 1st May. Means this plant is not used for full 1 year. It is used for only 8 months. How 8 months? It is issued on 5th May till 31st December 2006. So count how many months you will get? 5th May. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So 8 months. Total 8 months. So this plant is used for 8 months only. So we have to calculate the depreciation on this plant for 8 months. So that's why 60,000 into 15% into 8 by 12. Got all of you? Why I have taken this 8 by 12? Because this plant is used for 8 months, not for 1 year. So calculate it. 60,000 into 15% into 8 by 12. You will get 6,000. This is the depreciation amount. So now come to the solution part. Write on the credit side, buy plant. Write the amount in inner column. The value of plant is 60,000 less depreciation. Depreciation amount. Just we have calculated 6,000 less depreciation 6,000. So from 60,000 minus 6,000, you will get 54,000. Clear this point? Okay, let's move to next transaction. retention money. Okay, this will take later. Contract with price. These three things we'll see later. Retention money, contract price, and cash receipt. Works uncertified. So work uncertified, where we will take this? Under work in progress. So, right. So work uncertified they have given, but we want work certified also. Work certified amount we have to calculate. So for that we will prepare the note number 3. Note number 3, calculation of work certified. So how we will get this work certified amount? In this problem, cash received amount they have given, that is 3,60,000. To this amount, we have to add retention money and we will get the work certified amount. See here, cash received 3,60,000, this one. Add retention money, that is 40,000. Add these two amount and the total of these two is 4 lakh, and this is work certified amount. Got all of you? So now we have got work certified and work uncertified amount. So let's move to solution part. By work in progress, under this head, we will write work certified. The amount is 4 lakh. Just we have calculated 4 lakh. Work uncertified in the problem, that is 10,000. Now add these two amounts. 4 lakh plus 10,000, and the total is 4 lakh 10,000. Clear this one? Next, supervisor's salary paid 51 weeks and the amount is 10,200. Okay, the supervisor's salary is paid. Paid for how many weeks? 51. So in 1 year, how many weeks are there? 52. Correct? But the supervisor's salary is paid for 51 weeks only. It means that the supervisor's salary for 1 week is outstanding, and that one we have to calculate, and that amount we have to add to this 10,200. So we'll calculate the outstanding supervisor's salary. For that, see the note number 4. Calculation of outstanding supervisor salary for 1 week. So the 51 week supervisor salary is 10,200. To get the 1 week salary, what we have to do? 10,200 divided by 51. Okay, 10,200 divided by 51, you will get 200. So this is the 1 week salary. And this one we have to add. Come to the solution part. To supervisor salary 10,200, add outstanding, just we have calculated 200. Add that 10,200 plus 200, you will get 10,400. Clear? And the last transaction, last entry. Materials at site on 31st December 2006. This is the closing material. Amount is 12,000. So closing we have to take on the credit side. Buy material at site, amount is 12,000. So now add this credit side. 35,000 plus 7,000 plus 54,000 plus 12,000 plus 4 lakh 10,000, and the total is 5 lakh 80,000. 5 lakh 18,000. So this credit side is more. The balance of credit side is more. 5 lakh 18,000. Same we have to write on the debit side. Right here. 5 lakh 18,000. From 5,18,000 minus 3 lakh minus 60,000 minus 48,000 minus 12,000 minus 1,000 minus 10,400, and the balance you will get 86,600. Got? From 5,18,000 you have to minus all these figure, and the balance you will get difference amount, that is 86,600. That is called to notional profit carried down. This notional profit is brought down by notional profit brought down 86,000. So this notional profit, what we have to do? It is to be distributed or transferred to profit and loss account and remaining to reserve. For that, we have to calculate the note. So note number 5, calculation of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. Okay. So for that, what we have to do? We have to see the contract price and work certified amount. Contract price is how much? 8 lakh, and the work certified amount is 4 lakh. See the note number 3. We have calculated, no? That one. So for first condition is if the work completed is less than 1/4, then no amount is transferred to profit and loss account. So this one will not apply to this problem number 2. Second condition is if the work completed is 1/4 or more but less than half, then 1/3 of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account. So here work certified is 4 lakh. So it is not less than half of the contract price. So leave this second condition. Third is if the work completed is half or more than half, in that cases what we have to do? 2/3 of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account. So contract price is 8 lakh. 8 lakh into half, how much you will get? 4 lakh. So in this problem, third condition is applied because the work certified amount is half of the contract price. So this is the third condition. Formula is profit and loss amount. See the fifth note. Profit and loss account is equal to 2/3 of notional profit into cash received divided by work certified. 2/3, same we will write notional profit. So in this problem, we have got 86,600 notional profit. So write here 86,600 into cash received. See the problem, cash received amount is 3,60,000. We'll take here. Work certified amount is 4 lakh. Now calculate it. 2/3 into 86,600 into 3,60,000 divided by 4 lakh. You will get 51,960. This amount is transferred to profit and loss account and remaining to reserve. That is, notional profit is how much? 86,600. From that minus the amount transferred to profit and loss account. That is 51,960. So from 86,600 minus 51,960, you will get 34,640. This amount is transferred to reserve. Come to this contract account part. Write to profit and loss account. This amount 51,960 to reserve. Just you have calculated 34,640, and the total of these two is 86,600, and this side also same 86,600. So clear this contract account. Got this problem? Let's solve the problem number 3 on contract costing. A promising company undertook a contract for a total price of rupees 5 lakh. Following is the abstract from the year ending 31st March 2002. Material to sign, it is to be debited. Material purchased, debited. Labor, debit. Outstanding wages on 31st March not recorded, it is to be added to labor amount. Plant installed, debit side. Depreciation on plant, this amount will be deducted from the plant value. Direct expenses, debited. Outstanding direct expenses on 31st March not recorded, this amount will be added to direct expenses. Overhead charges payable on 31st March 2002, it is to be added to overhead charges. Overhead charges, debit side. Material returned, credit side of the contract account. Work certified and work uncertified, this one we will take under work in progress on credit side of the contract account. Material at site on 31st March, it is to be credited. Cash received from the contractee 3,60,000. So in this contract, they have given certain information. On the basis of these information, we have to prepare the contract account. Let's start the solution. Heading: Contract account for the year ended 31st March 2002. So first what we have to take? Material sent to site. To material 1 lakh. Then see the problem. Material purchased. It is to be debited. Right on the debit side. To material purchased 70,698. Labor is to be debited. To labor, write the amount in inner column 1,40,000 because the labor amount is outstanding. Outstanding wages on 31st March not recorded. So this is the outstanding wages amount. It is to be added to the 1,40,000. So write add outstanding 8,750 and total of these two 1,48,750. Plant installed amount is 30,000. Right on the debit side to plant 30,000. Depreciation on plant, this will take later on. Direct expenses, so write on the debit side to direct expenses amount in inner column 6,334. Add outstanding. Outstanding direct expenses on 31st March is not recorded 580. So this amount will be added to direct expenses amount. To direct expenses 6,334. Add outstanding. The amount is 580. And total of these two, write in outer column 6,914. Overhead charges payable on 31st March 2002. This is the outstanding amount. And overhead charges is 8,252. So first we will take this one. Two overhead charges, right in the solution part, 8,252. Add outstanding amount 9,250 and total of these two 8,252 plus 9,250, you will get 17,502. Next, material returned, it is to be credited by material return 1,098. Work certified and work uncertified, this one we will take on the credit side of the account. under the head work in progress. By work in progress, I have written the short form work in progress. In that, work certified amount is 3,90,000. Work uncertified amount is 9,000. And total of these two, 3,99,000. Material at site on 31st March 2002, it is to be credited. By material, amount is 3,766. By plant, so starting value of plant is 30,000. This will write here on the credit side. By plant, 30,000 less depreciation. See the problem? Depreciation on plant amount is 8,000. This will be deducted from the plant value. Less depreciation 8,000. So from 30,000 minus 8,000, you will get 22,000. So both side you have to compare. You have to compare debit side with the credit side, and which side you will get the more amount. From that side you have to minus the other one. So in this problem, the credit side you will get the more amount, that is total of these four amount 1,098 plus 3,99,000 plus 3,766 plus 22,000. The total of these four items is 4,25,864. And same amount we'll write on the debit side. 4,25,864. From this amount minus these items. 1,70,698, 1,48,750, 30,000, 6,914, 17,502, and you will get 52,000. Understood? From 4,25,864, you have to minus all these amount, and you will get the difference amount 52,000. And to this 52,000, you have to write to notional profit. And same notional profit will be brought down here. By notional profit brought down 52,000. So this notional profit is to be distributed between profit and loss account and reserve. So the contract price is 5 lakh, correct? And work certified amount 3,90,000. So we'll see which condition is applied to this problem. 5 lakh into 1/4, you will get 1,25,000. So this is the work certified amount is not less than 1/4 of the contract price. So leave the first condition. 5 lakh into half, that is 2,50,000 you will get. So second condition is not also applied. 5 lakh into 3/4. 5 lakh into 3/4, we will get 3,75,000. So work certified amount is more than 3/4 of the contract price. So in this problem, fourth condition, what is said? If the work certified amount is more than 3/4 of the contract price or nearing to complete the contract, in such cases we have to calculate the amount of profit on the basis of estimated profit. But in this problem, they have not given estimated profit amount. and not they have given any information related to estimated profit. So we'll take the third condition, that is two-thirds of notional profit will be transferred to profit and loss account. So we'll write the note. Calculation of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. The formula is profit and loss account is equal to two-thirds of notional profit into cash received divided by work certified. Same two-thirds we will write here. Notional profit amount is 52,000. Cash received. See the problem, last sentence. Cash received from contractee 3,60,000. So that one we will take here. Divided by work certified. Work certified amount is 3,90,000. So calculate this. Two-thirds into 52,000 into 3,60,000 divided by 3,90,000, and you will get 32,000. So this 32,000 is the amount transferred to profit and loss account. So in solution part, write to profit and loss account 32,000. So the notional profit, total notional profit amount is 52,000. Out of this, to profit and loss account, we have transferred 32,000. So remaining amount is transferred to reserve, that is 20,000. From 52,000 minus 32,000, you will get 20,000. This amount is transferred to reserve. To reserve, to reserve 20,000. And the total of these two, 50,000, 52,000, and same amount we'll write on the credit side, 52,000. Clear? A simple problem on contract costing. So such types of problem will be asked for 15 marks. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Problem number 4. It's a very different problem and very important because in this problem they have given information related to a contract in the form of trial balance. And by using all these information, we have to prepare the contract account. And we have to prepare the balance sheet also, that is statement of assets and liabilities. So it's a very important problem. So I'll read out the problem. Problem number 4. K Construction Limited commenced construction of a building on 1st January 2017 for a contract price of rupees 6 lakh. Following is the trial balance of the company as on 31st December 2017. Particulars: debit, credit. Share capital 80,000. Contractee account 80% of work certified. Amount is 2,40,000. Cash at bank 60,000. Charge to contract material 60,000. Plant 40,000. Wages 75,000. Office expenses 25,000. Supervisor salary 60,000. And total of debit and credit is 3,20,000. Debit side 3,20,000 and credit balance also same 3,20,000. The contractor pays 80% of the work certified. Additional information: wages outstanding rupees 5,000. Depreciate plant at 20% per annum. Plant costing rupees 5,000 was returned to store on 31st December 2017, and plant of the original cost of rupees 5,000 was destroyed by accident at the beginning of the contract. The material at site on 31st December 2017 was valued at 11,000. Cost of work done not yet certified amounted to rupees 19,000. Prepare contract account and also give the statement of assets and liabilities of the company as on 31st December 2017. Got this problem? So let's start the solution. So first we have to write the heading contract account. Particulars rupees, particulars rupees. So first what we have to do? We have to take the material. See the trial balance. The share capital, contractee account, cash at bank, we'll see later. We'll start with the material. Material is 60,000, right? In debit side. To materials, 60,000. Plant is 40,000. To plant, 40,000. Wages, 75,000. So, see the additional information. Point A, wages outstanding rupees 5,000. So, wages outstanding amount we have to add to this 75,000. So, see the solution part. To wages 75,000, add outstanding amount is 5,000, and total of these two 75,000 plus 5,000, you will get 80,000. To office expenses, amount is 25,000. Supervisor salary, debit side, right? To supervisor salary 60,000. Okay. So see the additional information. Point B, depreciate plant at 20% per annum. So on plant, we have to calculate the depreciation at 20% per annum. So on the credit side, we'll write by plant. So the what is the original value of plant? 40,000. By plant, 40,000. Read out this C point. Plant costing rupees 5,000 was returned to store on 31st December 2017. Okay, so plant costing rupees 5,000 was returned to store. So this one we will deduct from the original value of the plant. And plant of the original cost rupees 5,000 was destroyed by accident. Okay, so the plant costing rupees 5,000 was destroyed by accident. So it is a loss to the company. So we'll take, see the credit side, buy plant 40,000 we'll take first, and we have to deduct the amount that plant returned to store less plant returned to store. Amount is 5,000. So from 40,000 minus 5,000, we will get 35,000. So before calculating the depreciation, we have to minus all these: return to store, plant destroyed, etc. So first we have to take the original value of plant 40,000. From that minus plant returns to store 5,000, and you will get 35,000. Less plant destroyed. Plant destroyed value is 5,000. Right here 5,000. So from 35,000 minus 5,000, we will get 30,000. And on this 30,000, we have to calculate the depreciation. So we have to calculate the depreciation on plant at 20%. See the point B, 20%. So what we have to do? 30,000 into 20%. Okay, 30,000 into 20%, you will get 6,000. Okay, from 30,000 minus 6,000, and you will get 24,000. This you have to write on the outer column. Write in outer column 24,000. Got this adjustment? First, we have to take the original value of plant, from that minus plant returned to store less plant destroyed, and whatever the final amount you will get on that, calculate depreciation at 20%, and you will get the final amount, that is 24,000. Clear this one? Next, we'll calculate the depreciation on this plant return to store. So we'll write plant return to store amount is 5,000. Okay, this one is first we have taken, that is a different entry, and this one is different one. By plant return to store, the value of plant return to store is 5,000. On this plant also we have to calculate the depreciation. Less depreciation 20%. 5,000 into 20%. You will get 1,000. So from 5,000 minus 1,000, and the amount is 4,000. So plant costing rupees 5,000 was destroyed by accident. See the point C, 5,000 plant costing rupees 5,000 was destroyed by accident. So it is a loss. So under the head abnormal loss, we'll take plant destroyed by plant by abnormal loss. In that, right, plant destroyed. Okay, anything loss incurred means you have to write credit side, and profit gain means you have to write on debit side. By plant by abnormal loss, in that, right, plant destroyed amount is 5,000. Clear? Read the point D. Material at site on 31st December 2017 was valued at 11,000. Closing material we will take on credit side. By material at site amount 11,000. Next, E. Cost of work done not yet certified amounted to rupees 19,000. So cost of work done but not yet certified. It means it is called work uncertified. Okay. Cost of work done not yet certified. So it is considered as work uncertified. Work uncertified amount is 19,000. So we have got the work uncertified amount. Let's see the work certified amount. So in this problem, they have not given clear amount of work certified, but by taking certain information, we can calculate the amount of work certified. So the work certified, so to calculate the amount of work certified, the formula is work certified is equal to cash received divided by percentage of cash received. So the cash received is, see the contractee account. How much the contractee has paid? Cash received by the contractor, 2,40,000. And the percentage of cash received is, contractee pays 80% of the value of work certified. So divided by 80%. 2,40,000 divided by 80%. Calculate it. You will get 3 lakh. Okay, 3 lakh is the work certified amount. So by taking this formula, work certified is equal to cash received divided by percentage of cash received, you can calculate the amount of work certified. So we got the work certified amount, that is 3 lakh, and work uncertified amount is 19,000. So we'll take in solution, by work in progress Work certified 3 lakh, just we have calculated. Work uncertified, point E. In point E they have mentioned 19,000. And total of these two, 3 lakh plus 19,000, you will get 3 lakh 19,000. Clear? So calculate debit side. 60,000 plus 40,000 plus 80,000 plus 25,000 plus 60,000. How much you'll get total of these 5 items? 2 lakh 65,000. Yes, total of debit side. Total credit side 24,000 plus 4,000 plus 5,000 plus 11,000 plus 3 lakh 19,000. You will get 3 lakh 63,000. So which side you will get the more balance? On credit side. Yes. So credit side total we will take, that is 3 lakh 60,000. So write here 3 lakh 63,000. And same amount we will write on the debit side, 3 lakh 63,000. From 3 lakh 63,000 minus 2 lakh 65,000. Okay, otherwise, or from 3 lakh 63,000 minus 60,000, 40,000, 80,000, 25,000 and 60,000. And you will get difference amount 98,000. This 98,000 is called notional profit. To notional profit carried down. Okay, you have to compare both the sides. So which side will get the more balance? From that side, from that balance you have to deduct the other one. So same amount will be carried out by notional profit brought down 98,000. So this notional profit is to be transferred to profit and loss account and reserve. For that we have to prepare a note. Before that we'll see which condition is applied to this problem. So the contract price is 6 lakh, correct? See the first para of the problem. 6 lakh, contract price is 6 lakh, and work certified amount is 3 lakh, correct? So first condition is, if the work certified is less than 1/4 of contract price, no amount is transferred to profit and loss account. So 6 lakh into 1/4, how much you will get? 6 lakh into 1/4, you will get 2 lakh 50,000. So the work certified amount is not less than 2,50,000. So leave the first condition. Second condition is, if the work certified is more than 1/4, yes it is, but it should be less than half of the contract price. 6 lakh into half, you will get 3 lakh, correct? So second condition will not apply because it is not less than half of the contract price. Third condition is applied because the work certified amount is half. So we'll take this. So third condition is what? If the work certified amount is half or more than half but less than 3/4 of the contract price. So in this problem, the work certified amount is half of the contract price. 6 lakh into half, how much you will get? 3 lakh, correct? So the work certified amount is half of the contract price. So we'll take the problem condition 3 formula. In that, what we have to do? 2/3 of notional profit is transferred to profit and loss account. So we'll calculate the note. Calculation of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. Formula is profit and loss account is equal to 2/3 into notional profit into cash received divided by work certified. So 2/3 same we will write here, and the notional profit amount is 98,000. We'll take here. Cash received amount. Cash received is how much? See the trial balance, contractee account. This is the cash received. 2,40,000 divided by work certified. Work certified amount is 3 lakh. Calculate it. 2/3 into 98,000 into 2,40,000 divided by 3 lakh, and you will get 52,266. So this amount is transferred to profit and loss account. Come to contract account. To profit and loss account, amount is 52,266, and remaining amount is transferred to reserve. Notional profit is how much? 98,000. So from 98,000 minus 52,266, and the remaining balance is transferred to reserve. Understood? 98,000 minus the amount transferred to profit and loss account, 52,266. The remaining balance is transferred to reserve. That is 45,734 to reserve. Got this solution? So next we'll prepare the balance sheet. Statement of assets and liabilities. Here is the balance sheet. I have prepared balance sheet in vertical form. Statement of assets and liabilities. Columns, particulars, note, amount, amount. So first we have to take equity and liabilities. In that, shareholders fund, share capital. Share capital in trial balance they have given, that is 80,000. For that you have to prepare a note. Here is the note of statement of assets and liabilities. In that first note is share capital. Share capital amount is 80,000 mentioned in the trial balance. So same one we will write in the statement of assets and liabilities, 80,000. Next is reserves and surplus. For that we'll prepare note number 2, reserves and surplus. In that, profit and loss account. So we have got the notional profit 98,000. In that, 52,266 amount is transferred to profit and loss account. That amount we have to take. Profit and loss account 52,266. Understood? From where I got this amount? Out of 98,000, 52,266 amount is transferred to profit and loss account. That one we have to take. Less abnormal loss. Plant destroyed by accident costing rupees 5,000. That is a abnormal loss, and that one we have to deduct from profit and loss account. Less abnormal loss amount is 5,000. From 52,266 minus 5,000, you will get 47,266. Same balance we will write here. That is reserve and surplus. This one we will take in reserves and surplus. Note number 2. Amount is 47,266. And total of these two, share capital and reserve, 80,000 plus 47,266, you will get 1,27,266. Second one, other liabilities. For that, we have to prepare note number 3. See the note number 3. other liability. So in this problem, there is a outstanding wages. So outstanding wages is a liability, and the outstanding wages amount is 5,000. Same amount we will write here, and this one we will take here in other liabilities. Note number 3, outer column right in amount column 5,000, and total of these two 1,27,266 plus 5,000, you will get 1,32,266. So the liability total is 1,32,266. Next one we will see asset. Second head, main head, asset. In that first we have to take non-current assets. In that tangible asset. For that we have to prepare note number 4. See note number 4, tangible asset. In that first we will take plant return. So in contract account we have taken a plant return. Plant return value of plant is 5,000. From that less depreciation. Depreciation at 20%. You will get 1,000. We have already calculated these things in contract account. So from 5,000 minus 1,000, you will get 4,000. You have to write in outer column 4,000. Next, plant. The starting value of plant 40,000. From that, less plant lost or that plant destroyed by accident, that is 5,000. From 40,000 minus 5,000, you will get 35,000. Less plant returned. Plant returned value is 5,000. Just we have calculated here. Plant returned 5,000. So from 35,000 minus 5,000, you will get 30,000. On this 30,000, we have to calculate the depreciation at 20%. Less depreciation 20% on this 30,000, you will get 6,000. So from 30,000 minus 6,000, and the final amount is 24,000. And total of these two, 4,000 plus 24,000, you will get 28,000. So the total value of tangible asset is 28,000. Come to statement of assets and liabilities. Intangible assets, note number 4, amount is 28,000. Just we have calculated in note number 4. Second one, current assets. In current assets, what will come? Goods, that is inventory, cash, cash at bank, etc. So in that first we will take inventory. For that we have to prepare note number 5. See the note number 5, inventories, material at site. So the closing value of material is 11,000. You can refer the contract account. Next, work in progress. So in work in progress, total amount of work in progress, the total amount of work in progress is 3,19,000. Correct? The total of work certified and work uncertified, total of these two is 3,19,000. That is work in progress. From that, less reserve. So from notional profit, 52,266 we transferred to profit and loss account, and remaining amount to reserve, that is 45,734. So this reserve we have to deduct from the work in progress. Reserve 45,734 reserve amount. So from 3,19,000 minus reserve, you will get 2,73,266. Then less cash received. Cash received from contractee, that is 2,40,000. From 2,73,266 minus 2,40,000, and you will get 33,266. And total of these two, 11,000 plus 33,266, you will get 44,266. This is the value of inventory. So in inventory, write 44,266. Next item, cash and cash equivalents. So in trial balance, they have given, see the note number 6, cash and cash equivalents. Cash at bank amount is 60,000. Mentioned in the trial balance, see the problem. And total of these 60,000. So same amount we will write here. Note number 6, 60,000. Now add these three amounts. 28,000 plus 44,266 plus 60,000. You will get 1,32,266. So the liability total is 1,32,266, and the total of asset side is 1,32,266. Both sides you have to get the same balance. So balance sheet is correct. Both the side we got the same amount, 1,32,266. So this is the balance sheet. So got this problem? So such types of problems will be asked for 15 marks, and it's very important problem because in this problem we have prepared contract account and balance sheet. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you, friends.